It's Corey. Out with Becky, my daughter.
Hey!
We're out behind Coldwater at a provincial wildlife area. And today's looking for tracks. And you ready for this, Buck?
Yep, freezing our butts off looking for animals.
Hope you enjoy. What was
Some
that?
tracks on the ground. I'm gonna pretend they look like fox tracks, but I don't think that's what they are.
What, you don't like coyotes, Becky?
As long as I can see them from a distance.
That's why you got the big camera. You're on again. Come here. Looks like somebody was real busy here.
Fight?
I don't know. They may have been hunting. Maybe there was mice underneath the snow. But wow, they were busy.
Those foxes sure do like mice.
You're still calling it a fox, are you? Okay, Becky doesn't really like wolves or coyotes, and the tracks seem to be getting a little bit bigger. What do you think, Beck?
Good thing I got my big stick just in case.
Got some other little guy here too, beside the big prince. I don't know, but we're gonna follow this one because that's really fresh. Well, really nice walk. Beautiful day it turned out to be, eh? Lots of animal tracks. Gonna have to come back here and set up my hide just to see what we can find. What do you think, Beck?
I loved it. It was a great trail to walk, super easy, and I can't wait till you catch a fox running across that pond.
Okay, hope you enjoy. See you next time.